Yeah, 3 chains. I just wanted to say that, that's all.
That's all we want to do, man.
Yeah, hey Tone, I'm doing something different, nigga.
What's up, guys? This is another video of something that I've eagerly waiting to receive, and thank God it finally has arrived, because this is one of my favorite, and I say that again, favorite mini quad. Furibee F36. See that? So anyways, it's the unpacking of it. That was the fastest unpacking. So here it is. It's the motors I received, because from all the craziness that I did with this, all like the different things I tried with it, and flips and like sort of acrobatic style, you know, getting used to it and stuff, the motor has busted on me. So I ordered this package from where was it from? AliExpress, and it was like, it wasn't that bad. It was like really cheap. I'll leave it in the, when I edit the video, I'll leave the price and exactly, I'll even leave in the description if you want and everything. So yeah, so here it is. It finally arrived. Motor replacements for them. So now I'm going to be soldering it, and then it will be the fly test to make sure I did everything properly. I'm so happy I received this, because I'm in love with this drone. Seriously, this mini quad is like the best and coolest thing I've ever flown. It's really a gift, this thing. Amazing little flyer, seriously. And it could take abuse, because when I do stuff, especially in my channel, I love to abuse this stuff and pull it, you know, take it to its full capacity, you know, test it completely. And this thing surpassed all my expectations, so I'm really happy with it. So that being said, now I'm gonna start to do the soldering. This. Now I'm just, you know, placing it in, putting it where it needs to be. Why the hell am I doing it with a knife, man? Get the tweezers. Oh yeah. Okay. Now it's a little more professional. Okay, that's all done. There it is. Now just gonna solder them to the corresponding part, to the place, sorry. The red is the plus and the blue is the minus. So gonna do that now. Done. Okay, that's done. Now I'm just gonna give it a quick test. Ah, damn it, the battery. Plugging in its power. Okay. Automatic bind. Battery's dead. No! Okay, I'll be back in a minute, or when it's charged, then I'll be back. So I'll see you guys soon. Okay guys, unfortunately I'm impatient because I'm so excited to test this out. So I charged it a little bit. Hopefully it's enough, just, you know, to make sure it works and I didn't screw it up. So putting that, plugging it in. Okay, it's in. Moment of truth, guys. Oh yeah. Perfect. Oh yes. Amazing, it works. Just tried a little acrobatic flip, went the opposite way. But you guys get the point. It works perfect. Very happy. Motors are great. I just, while I was waiting for the battery to charge, I checked it in where I purchased it. So it ended up that I did purchase it from AliExpress. It costed me exactly, to be precise, $6.76 for the 4. And yeah, it came less than a month, so that was a pretty good purchase. I'm very happy with that purchase. I'll leave the where you guys can get it for that price, because if I'm not mistaken, I think that's the cheapest I found it at that time. So it's almost been a month, so I don't know if it's cheaper, but it still, like, less than, you know, $7 for 4 of them. I think it's still a very good price. I'm happy. So I'll leave that in the description. So anyways, yeah, that's it for this video. It's the unpackaging, the fastest unpackaging, the soldering, and flight test. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, I would really appreciate the support and help if you guys hit that subscribe button. And yeah, thanks very much for watching, guys. You guys have a drone-tastic day and keep it droning. And this is the Furibee F36 flying off.